shake, 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 like it actually tastes like oats. Do you know what I mean? Like it actually tastes like freaking like oats. It's just so freaking easy to make because all you need here is some milk and 2 1/3 scoops and then boom, you're good. Do you get what I'm trying to say? That's breakfast done. What's going on, guys? It's your boy TREY-STYLEZ, you know the vibes. Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so for today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing a review of the Myprotein instant oats. Yeah guys, like look at how big this bag is. Yeah, I think this is a freaking... This is like a freaking 2.5 kg. So this is like a 2.5 kg bag, yeah. Like fam, like look how big this shit is, man. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, man. So this is the vanilla flavor, yeah. So basically, I'm gonna be trying it out for you guys, telling you guys like my honest thoughts, my honest opinions, and yeah, just basically giving you guys like the lowdown. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Also, as well on my channel, yeah, I've also got a list of Myprotein videos as well. So yeah, man, if you guys haven't checked out those videos, yeah, definitely make sure you guys go ahead and do that. I'm gonna link those here for you guys, yeah. So definitely make sure you guys go ahead and check those out, man. And yeah, man, we're just gonna get straight into this video, guys. Yeah, as always, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the thing down below. You guys know. And yeah, man, let go. Alright guys, yeah, so I'm just on the Myprotein website now, yeah, and then this is the instant oats. So this one, yeah, you've got it in 3 different sizes, yeah, so you can get it in a 1 kg, you've got it in a 2.5 kg, and then you can also get it in a 5 kg as well. Me personally, yeah, I went for the 2.5 kg, yeah, and then here, yeah, you've got like the different flavors, so you can have it chocolate smooth, you can have it unflavored, or you can have a vanilla flavor. Me personally, yeah, I went for the vanilla flavor, man, simply because I feel like, fam, you can't go wrong with vanilla. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's such like a safe option. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So that's why I personally went for the vanilla. And as you guys can see, yeah, it comes up to like £6.99, which is actually alright, you know, because fam, like the bag is like bare big. So I feel like £6.99, yeah, is like a good price. And then here, if you scroll down, you've got like a product review of the instant oats. So it's got like 11 grams of protein, yeah, and then it's ideal for supporting your muscles. So yeah, man, so if you scroll down as well, yeah, you've got like the suggested use. So here it says add 2 1/3 large scoops, which is 100 grams in total, to 150 to 250 milliliters of water. And if you guys scroll down at the bottom here, yeah, you guys have like customer reviews as well. So obviously if you guys want to read through that, yeah, to see what people are saying about it, then obviously that's useful as well. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, man, that was basically like a quick run through, a little review of the instant oats, yeah. So right now, yeah, what I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm actually gonna try this thing, guys, yeah, and see what it's saying. Alright guys, yeah, so this is the instant oats. I've got the vanilla flavor, 2.5 kg, right? So we're gonna try this out now. So it says mix 2 1/3 large scoops, which is 100 grams in total, to 150 to 250 milliliters of water or milk. Me personally, yeah, I'm gonna use milk simply because I feel like milk adds like a lot more flavor. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, man. So I'm gonna do 250 milliliters of milk. So that's 250 there, yeah. Don't know if you guys can see, yeah. So that's what it looks like there, yeah. So it says, yeah, add 2 1/3 scoops. So that's 1 scoop there. Hey, yo, guys, these are some big ass scoops, you know. That's 2 1/3. So that's 2 1/3 scoops there. And then just gonna get the lid, yeah. Cover that. And then we're gonna shake, 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 shake. Alright, so shake, 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 shake. So that's what it looks like. Y'all see that? So now, yeah, we're gonna do the taste test, yeah. So we're gonna try this in 3, 2, 1. That's different. That's actually alright, you know. I like that. Guys, that's actually really, really freaking nice. Like, that's nice. That is really, really nice. I really, really do like this. Like, it actually tastes like oats. Do you know what I mean? Like, it actually tastes like freaking like oats. I've never had oats in this form before, like liquid oats, if that makes sense. Because obviously when you make it in the microwave, yeah, it's like, you know, like normal oats. You get what I'm trying to say? But I've never actually had this kind before. So it is like a little bit different, but it's actually really, really nice. You know what I mean? And I feel like the reason why I wanted to buy this, yeah, is because sometimes, yeah, I don't have time in the morning to have breakfast. You get what I'm trying to say? So the thing that I like about this, yeah, is that it's so freaking convenient. Do you know what I mean? So say for example, yeah, if I don't have time to actually sit down and cook like a full-on breakfast, at least if I've got this in my system, yeah, then it's just so freaking easy to make, because all you need, yeah, is some milk and 2 1/3 scoops, and then boom, you're good. Do you get what I'm trying to say? That's breakfast done. Do you know what I mean? So what I like about this is the convenience of it, how convenient it is. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So yeah, man, I feel like this is definitely, you know, like another addition to my, you know, like one of my Myprotein products. Sometimes I don't be having time to be having breakfast, man. So yeah, I'm glad that I've actually, you know, like brought this, and it's actually really, really good as well. As I said, on the website you guys can get like different flavors as well, but me personally, yeah, I went for the vanilla flavor, yeah, and yeah, it's nice, man. It's nice. Yeah, man, that was just basically like a quick review of the Myprotein instant oats, yeah. So yeah, man, if you guys have tried the Myprotein instant oats before as well, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section down below, man. Let me know what it's saying. And yeah, man, that was the end of the video, guys. Yeah, not too long. Like, guys, like, this was like a short video. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Therefore, make sure you guys check out my other Myprotein videos on my channel as well. And yeah, man, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did make it this far, as always, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You guys know the vibe. And yeah, man, I'll see you in my next video. I'm gone.